Hello, my followers on YouTube. This is Ravan Tunajan for Self-Taught POLYGLOT. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you Haitian Creole, okay? So, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you some Creole, basic Creole expressions that you might need in order to express yourself, your feelings, your emotions, okay, in Haitian Creole. So, this video is not for Haitian people, it is for foreigners who want to learn the Haitian Creole language and linguistics. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're going to find a lot of videos there about Haitian Creole linguistics, Haitian Creole language, culture, mindset, and worldview. Okay, I'm a Haitian myself. I am basically someone who is actually studying the Haitian Creole language, and I can provide you with a lot of values, a lot of some knowledge in this language and culture. Okay. The expressions that we are going to study today are expressions that we basically use in order to express our emotions, emotional bond linked to someone, okay? Um, how do you say in Haitian Creole, I love you? And how do you say in Haitian Creole, I hate you? How do you say in Haitian Creole, I love you? And how do you say in Haitian Creole, I hate you? I love you, or hate you, or detest you, okay, in Haitian Creole. So let's begin with the negative one, and then I will teach you the positive, the so-called positive one, okay? How do you say I love something, or I hate someone? Okay, and Haitian Creole is very easy, right? You take almost the same thing as a positive, okay, and then you're gonna use it like you put for not you put pa. Mwen renmen, mwen pa renmen. I hate you. I hate you. Mwen pa renmen. Mwen pa renmen. Mwen pa renmen. Mwen pa renmen. Mwen pa remel. Mwen pa remel for a person. I don't like her or him, right? Or like or love, okay? Okay, renmen is to like, to love, to appreciate. Okay, you can appreciate a piece of music. I appreciate a piece of literature, okay, of Shakespeare. Mwen reme Shakespeare. Mwen reme William Shakespeare. Mwen reme William Shakespeare. Haitian Creole is very easy. Mwen is the personal pronoun for I. Personal pronoun for I. Reme, pa is the negative to express that the negative form. Reme is a verb to love, to like, to appreciate. Ou is the object pronouns. You. Ou. 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 There's no flexion like in French, in Italian, in Portuguese. Like in Portuguese, if you'd like to say "Mwen pa remel," you're going to say "eu" for the personal pronoun. Não gosto, verbo gostar, verb gostar. So you're going to make the flexion of the verb. Eu gosto, eu não gosto de você. Okay, é pouco difícil em português. It's kind of difficult in Portuguese, but in Haitian Creole it's very, very easy. There isn't a lot of flexion, variations in the verb, the nouns, as in Russian, we call cases. In Haitian Creole. Haitian Creole is it's easy, I would say, okay? As I'm Haitian, I know the language, and I'm in all the languages. Haitian Creole is easy, guys. It's very, very easy, okay? Mwen pa remel, I don't love you, okay? I don't appreciate you, I don't like you. Mwen remel, maintenant, the positive. Mwen remel, I love you. Mwen remel, mwen remel, mwen remel, mwen remel, or mwen remel li, which is for something, for someone, which is the third object pronouns, okay? I like him, li. I like her, li. I like it, li. Okay, so this is it, guys, for Haitian Creole, all my American friends, so you can learn these expressions, are very important in Haitian Creole. Whenever you would like to express your feelings to somebody, to something, or show how much something is valuable to you, okay, it's worthy. You can use these words, this expression, pareme, for negative, and this expression, renmen, mwen renmen, li renmen, etc., for the positive. So I hope to cover in my next videos the personal pronouns in Haitian Creole, okay, because they are very important. I'm going to cover all of them in the next video in this YouTube channel, Learn Haitian Creole with me, so that you can start learning Haitian Creole with me. So subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to receive more videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Abonnez avec channel là. Merci.